Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link eBay to AliExpress. Want to dropship from AliExpress to eBay automatically? In this video tutorial, I'll give you some information, some instructions and some tips on how to connect eBay to AliExpress using automation tools perfect for scaling your businesses with less manual work. Now let's start by following these few simple steps together. The first step is to choose a dropshipping app. You can use platforms like AutoDS, DSers, or Zik Analytics. I'll write some of them down. AutoDS, you can use this platform right here. As you can see, AutoDS is the first dropshipping tool here. And after that, go to their official site and create an account. You can click on Start Dropshipping and create an account. Now the second thing you want to do is to connect your eBay account. Now in your dropshipping tool, go to eBay integration and log in and authorize your eBay seller account. Now for the third step is to connect your AliExpress account. And to do that, just go to settings and then choose AliExpress integration and log into your AliExpress buyer account. Some tools require an AliExpress API token or Chrome extension. As for the fourth step is to import products from AliExpress. You can browse AliExpress and click import using the tool's extensions. Products go to your eBay listing drafts, and the fifth and final step is to automate your orders and tracking. Enable order automation, and once a product sells, the system auto orders from AliExpress and tracking is synced to eBay automatically. And you're now dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay fully linked and automated. Use US warehouse or on AliExpress for faster shipping, and choose suppliers with 4.7 and plus star reviews, and use branded packaging options if available. And thank you for watching. These were some informations about how to link eBay to AliExpress. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic.